Welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, changing it up. Hey, we're so glad that you're tuning in. Today we are smoking, that's right, a smoked chuck roast. Some like to call that the poor man's brisket. I've heard a lot of different reviews on this from different friends, barbecuers, even in my own neighborhood. And I'm finally gonna give this a shot and smoke a chuck roast. Some say it tastes just as good as brisket, depending if you smoke it right. So I'm gonna show you my step-by-step process, so let's go. This chuck roast, we have this chuck roast on a pan, and we are going to lather this with some mustard, just a little bit. Use this hand to get it all over the meat. We're gonna do both sides. Again, if you're new to barbecuing, you don't taste the mustard. You could even use olive oil or something like that just to do this. And again, I've already dry brined this overnight with kosher salt to kind of get all the moisture out so that it can help create that awesome bark as we get this cooking and smoking. So I'm using Holy Cow barbecue rub with also a mixture of the gospel, Holy Gospel from Meat Church. Again, big fan of their barbecue rub. I think you'll really enjoy it. So I'm gonna do 70-30, 70% here with the Holy Cow, 30% with the Holy Gospel. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just gonna do there we go, a little light layer here. Much. Then we're gonna flip it and do the other side. Here we go. I'll lather it. And make sure we get the sides as well. We've already got the grill up to 250, which is what we want. All right, my friends, this is looking good. I'm gonna make sure I didn't miss anything on the top. Show you kind of what it looks like, all lathered up, ready to go. So here we go. It's gonna look really good. I'm gonna put this on the smoker. Yeah, it's gonna look great. Go and stay tuned, and I'll show you our next step. Wrap it, put it back on the Kamado. So let's do that now. Oh man, that looks so good. All right, hold on. My friends tell me that does not look delicious. Oh my gosh, I want to eat it right now. All right. We're gonna put this in the foil or in the butcher paper. Just like that. And we're gonna let this thing smoke for another 2 to 3 hours. Right now I'm at that 160, let's see here. Yeah, I was right at that 170 mark, and now I want to take it up to 200 to no more than 205, because it's gonna continue to rise in temperature, and then I'm gonna put it in tin foil, little container, and then put some butter in there and some brown sugar, and then let it sit for another 30 minutes as that steams and continues to stay tender, and then we'll slice it up, and then we'll do a taste test and let you know how it is. All right, friends, we are back. I just took the chuck roast off the grill, and now we're gonna put it in this tin foil here that I have put some olive oil in, a little bit of water, some butter, and then we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna cut that thing, slice it up, and we're gonna enjoy it. Let's go. All right, guys. Well, welcome back. We have been smoking this right around that 202 mark, and man, just look at that. Look how good that is. I wish you could just smell it. It tastes so good. I've already licked it a little bit. That's the chef's privilege. I can dab my finger on it and just taste the rub. It tastes incredible. Now we are going to slice this and see how it turned out. Yes, you can see that smoke ring. Very happy with what I'm seeing right now. Let's see if we can get a really thin slice cut here for you to see. Ooh, it's hot. Let's see if I can get a better close up there. Look at that smoke ring. Oh man, it looks good. It's that pull apart goodness that you're always looking for. Man, that tastes really good. You know what? I like this a lot. Definitely for me, it tastes really kind of beefy. I know some say that brisket's beefier than this, but maybe it's the rub I use, but I think it has a sweetness to it, but also beefy. And maybe if I cut on this other side where it's a little bit more fatty, I'll get a little of that cut up. But I'm gonna keep on slicing this, show you the final product. All right, guys, we finished cooking and smoking this chuck roast, and man, you can see that final product. It turned out delicious. It took about 7 hours, a little bit longer than that, to smoke. It went a lot longer than I anticipated, but I also started later in the day. All I have to say, it tasted good, and can't wait to have this for lunch tomorrow with the family. And if you like this video, we'd love for you to not only like it, subscribe, but push on that notification button and stay tuned to all the different barbecue journey I'm on, and just learning with you as we grow together and doing good as we barbecue for our family and our friends. So hope you really enjoyed this. And again, I slice this, but I also think I understand why some people like to just pull apart the chuck roast, because the meat is super tender and it really just kind of crumbles as you're cutting it. So that makes sense to me. I would say it's worth a try if you've not smoked or cooked a chuck roast. So again, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.